Well, hello people. Sai is back with another video and another tournament flight recorder against Suzuki from Brutal Resistance. Let's move on with the usual stuff. Container collection. Okay. I got that container, another container from there. Okay. And I got like 50% of the containers here. 50% is enough for me. That will make my day. Okay. I'm building a shipyard there, deltas. Okay, I build one fortress just to scout out the enemy base. Always build a fortress or a cyclone in this tournament because you will not know when the rush is gonna come. I'm saying this from my wisdom. If the rush come, you're dead. No matter your buildings are maxed, anything is maxed, the rush will kill you. I have got some experience in this tournament. I lost like 7 battles totally in this tournament. I won 12 battles, 12 out of 9. The 7 battles were either rushes or I didn't get any containers. Gear games should notice that they should reduce the rifleman speed just a little bit, at least in these tournaments, because we are not getting any containers, to be fair, to be honest. Okay. And I scout out. I am trying annoy with my vertex there. I am on HQ level 3. I got a vertex out and I was trying to destroy that gun tower, but one porcupine is out, so I retreated. I got like I am going HQ level 4 now. The original plan of me was to build Zeus, Shield and Thors. That's the best combo for Confederation at higher ranks, because the enemy will always go for Chameleon and Hawks. When they mix Hawks, it's really hard. Like, you need a lot of anti. You need to camp a little bit campy. First you need to defend. You can't attack relentlessly. Okay. I on ABF factory level 3. I am going to take out my first Thor out, and he has HQ level 4 and special vehicle factory level 3. Okay, I tried to scout again with my vertex. One Cayman is very annoying though. I'm gonna kill it. Okay, and here it goes. This tournament rushes are really hard to counter, and this map is more like a resistance map because of bushes, broad openings and everything. Okay, I'm gonna try my best to beat this guy. This guy ain't noob. He knew what he was doing, and my cyclone revealed that he's coming from the other side. Okay, I'm trying my best to bomb here. I only got 2 Thors, and oh, that's a pretty decent hit. I managed to kill some of his jaguars here. That was minimal amount of like 11 to 12 jaguars. I managed to kill about 4 of them. I'm happy. Okay, he's trying annoying. He's being annoying and force firing. I'm trying force fire here. Okay. Okay, I'm in a good position with my Zeus and my shield. Okay. And here it goes. I'm going to neatly kill that Chameleon. Chameleon is gone. Now I'm going to bomb. This video is all about Thors. The Thors. I love the Thors. And 5 Thors didn't manage to kill his 2 factories. Very nice. Very, very nice. Okay. And I'm going to reposition my Zeus there, just in case he'll attack from the front side. I'm sure he'll attack, and I'm going to be annoying and like build walls there, because when they are on gold scouting moves, without walls you will die. There is no point in not building them. Every commander of Confederation should build walls. Another bombing run. Okay, managed to hit some of those units. Now I'm going to force fire. Okay, come on, kill it. Yeah, Chameleon is dead. All the units are dead. Yeah, proud of you, Sai. Very good force fire. Okay, I mix some torrents to kill his gun towers on the low ground, because Zeus will die. And another bombing run, there it goes. And destroyed his factory. Nice, because he didn't have time to build his repair his factory. because I was bombing relentlessly. Okay, one of my Thor will die. He died. So sad. Okay, I have like about 4 torrents here. Okay, I am positioning my army on the high ground. Another bombing run. Here it goes. Very nice. Again kill the level 3 vehicle factory. It's very beneficial for me. That will slow its production. I am slowly building up my Zeus count. I have only one factory for Zeus. Another bomb gun. Okay. Again kill this special vehicle factory. I am very annoying with my Thors. He needed Hawks, guys. But he thought he could rush Chameleon and kill me. Bro, that's not gonna happen. I'm really sorry. Okay, I built 2 rocket towers there just in case. Another bombing run. Okay, now he's going for alligators. Very cute. Okay. And another bombing run. And bye bye alligator. May your dreams cherish next battle. Okay, I put air raid warning to minimize the damage of my Thors. Okay, I'm slowly moving in. Okay. Okay, here it goes. That's why I built walls at the start, because they will try to sneak in with this comedy, because he got the taste of that at the first stage, so he'll do that again. 2 Thors managed to hit a direct hit. That was super hit. Another Thor bombing. Okay, managed to destroy another 3 Jaguars and 2 porcupines. My rocket towers are maxed out for rank 20, I think. It's not maxed out for rank 21. So the damage is not that great. Okay, it's very hard when you see that my rocket towers can't do anything. I needed cyclones here, but I had a lot of those. That's why I didn't invent cyclones. Another bombing run. Boom, gone. Okay, now I'm going to force fire with my torrents here, just to kill those gun towers on the low ground. Jeez, that gun tower's range is imba. Okay, now he's on the he's on the lower hand, because I have the upper hand here, because I have a lot of units and a lot of Thors. Okay. And pretty much that's gonna be it for this guy. Okay. Oh, another Chameleon hand. I don't think how much Jaguars are there. Okay, I'm trying to force fire you. Okay. And boom.